Hey guys, I got a tool review to show you. I've had these for about a year, a little over a year now. Um, well, I just want to test them out and see how they worked. Um, this is by Pre-Format. I think that's how you say it. Pre-Format Max. They're 9-piece wrench. This one is your metric, and this is your standard. SE. It's a 1/4 inch, all the way up to 3/4. The reason why you have these two, if you notice in standard, it goes 7, 8, 9, 10, skips 11, but 11 is over here. 11's over here, then it goes 12, skips your 13, which you got your 1/2 inch here. Because your 7/16 is your 11th, and your 1/2 inch is your 13. And then it goes 14, 15, and then 9/16 is your 14th, 5/8 would be your 16th. Then it goes, then 17, 18, which is about over here too. So that's just one set I want to show you. And these have been well used. And you can see the grease. The only thing I got complaints about, they're the 6-point. I don't really like 6-point. I mean 12 points. They kind of suck. But they do my job I need them to do. That's the one set I have. And they do come with lifetime warranty. You get these at your local Mennards, if you have a Mennards. These came from Mennards. And they're both lifetime warranty. Now my other ones I have is by Grip. I think World King or Mennards had these. These are 8-piece stubbies. These are just a full size wrench. These by the oh, and here's the part number on that. There's your product number right there. And on these, your product number's right there. Not bad. I mean, your 8-piece stubbies. So I'm assuming, let's start on this side. It goes from 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4. Then you got your 7/16, 9/16, 11/16, and your 7/8. I mean, these I haven't used them much, but I have liked them. I mean, in my hand, they're pretty small. And if you wonder, the chromadium steel, and they're 12 points too. I haven't used them much, but when I did, I need them. I think these are chromadium steel too. Yep, made in China. I think these are made in China. Nope, made in India. These ones, not too sure. Maybe same place. Now this one, I'm missing one of my stubbies. This is your standard. This was your SAE, and these are your metric. And it starts at 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 on that side. Oh, and this is that part number for this set. And then your 11, 13, 15, 17. So, I mean, it's almost complete. I mean, this set here, I've used them. I use the standard side, the metric side more than the SE. But other than that, there's your 2 reviews of good tools. And this set here probably cost me, I got these on sale for like $10 for 2 of them. About $20 they're probably not on sale now, so about 20. These 2 I think was like $20. I didn't get them on sale. But there you go, there's 2 of the reviews for you.